Chi dorme non pisca peschi.
Chi dorme.
Chi dorme non piscia peschi. So you said Pet Road that?
Yeah, fish. Yeah. Fish. Chi dorme non piglia fish. So we have to get up and get fish. For a head.
You were that?
So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. If you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of chasing coins. Because it's a beautiful day. Isn't so come on, let's play.
After our legendary equator crossing, we slowly got back into the rhythm. We knew our destination is in close distance, so we enjoyed every moment even more. With perfect wind conditions, we sailed closer and closer towards Nukuhiva.
Too much blood, but
The blood is gone.
Can I have some fish, please?
We had a flying fish this morning already. Stop begging.
Oop,
Come on, eat outside. No, stay outside.
let's try.
Are you King Neptune?
no, I'm a king of Niue.
King of Niue?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
What is the premier saying to that?
I'm higher.
Are you higher?
Of course, king I am.
The last squall gave us new energy for the final day on the ocean. We recognized what a strong team we became. After 32 days out on the ocean, we grew together like a strong rope. We fought storms and managed rough seas. A bond you can't compare, a bond that made us survive. We are the crew, and together we are one. Free like birds flying over the endless horizon into unknown adventures and new lands. Already prepared? It was a magical moment to see the last sunset without any interruptions on the horizon, painting the sky in all kinds of colors. Time is infinite, and with every new sunrise over the horizon, you start to have an even deeper connection to the ocean. With a sad eye, we said see you later to the ocean and goodbye to an adventure of our lifetime.
Land ho!
Happy faces.
It is an overwhelming experience to see land after such a long time again. Your emotions are boiling over and you can't control them any longer. You want to run, laugh, and cry at the same time. We felt like kids arriving at a new playground, and some of us were close to jump overboard to swim the last couple meters. I ended my first crossing, and this will not be the last. Thanks to the captain for guiding us safely over 3,000 nautical miles across the ocean. None of us did that before, but we felt safe in your hands all the time and are grateful for everything you taught us. And thanks to all of you guys. Every one of you made this trip unique. You taught us so many different things, from the right way to fillet a fish, to new songs on the guitar, and an always happy attitude to life. The Marquesan Islands have an absolutely stunning skyline. Majestic rock formations covered with lush green nature are forming indescribable objects. That was exactly what we missed in Mexico. We sailed 3,203 nautical miles from Mexico to the Marquesan Islands, and we're out on the ocean for 32 days. We had wind speeds from 0 up to 40 knots, all within a few minutes in the doldrums, and got blessed with 4 fish that kept us alive. Neptune robbed 2 sails from us in the doldrums before he made us all true shellbacks. Yep, patch included. And we had to use the Iron Lady for 66 hours. Thanks Team Zero for an unforgettable time. Another chapter is written in our lives, but as the pages are turning, a new one is about to begin. Next time on Sailing Zero, Team Zero is ready for extended land trips. We explore the beautiful island Nukuhiva and enjoy some goodies from civilization.
Huh?
Thank you for watching this video. We made this video for you. If you like it, help us on Patreon to make more videos. And don't miss out on all the other great stories. Aloha! clicking here. Love ya.
It's just me and my boat. It's just me